Hello, this is Swapnil, and as you can see here, this is the survey, and this is the new box my account. Currently, my balance is $14.41. If you look out here carefully, and just few seconds ago, actually, I would choose this 0.44 cent to complete this survey, but this survey is can't complete by me because lack of maybe my answer is not appropriate, or maybe this survey is not suitable for me, so I just taking a chance. And next survey which cost is 0.23 cents, and that survey, this is the survey. After completing this, such a message is up here like, congratulations, you have won a reward. I can't take take a recording for this survey just because of policies and regulations, but after end of this survey, such a message will be appear where they, if survey is successfully completed, then the message will show like this: congratulations, you have earned a reward. We hope you enjoy the survey and look forward to seeing you back soon. Before you go, your feedback will help us build better surveys in the future. Thank you. So whenever you, if you are beginner, then I will be told you in last few minutes what I want to tell you. But for now, I can say, I can just consider you are sign up using this new works, and just started to completing this survey. And after, meanwhile, in the time when you're completing this survey, you just give in your true opinion. And at the end of the time, such a, if such comes and like this, they ask you the rate, then just always remember, give a full star. That's how they give you more survey and more survey. Of course, it's a, depends on the criteria too, but this factor is this factor is also considered to how users like the replying. Anyway, what I'm giving them 5 star, like the full star. And here they ask us, did you have any of the following issues with the survey? So I'm just clicking on one of these and just clicking on submit. So well, survey says, thanks, we really appreciate your feedback. And after this message shows, the last word is, your reward has been credited to your account. We look forward to seeing you again soon. So I'm clicking close this window, and what I need to do is just need to refresh here. So if I'm refresh here, this 23 cent will be added here in this my account. So I'm just clicking here to refresh, and you look, my balance is updated, and current my balance is 14.64 cents and 8 penny. Well, another part is, I don't have any referral yet. I have only one referral, and of course this is, the referral system is not the much worth it. But if you are beginner and if you have lots of friends, then you can share your link, and if they daily come here and earn some kind of the money, I mean, they will be earned by doing surveys and advertisement, but you will be earned from them if they daily clicks on these ads. In short, they should be active. They need to active here in daily basis, and that's why they always clicking these ads. So you will be got a few options. I don't know. I don't have idea how it's working affiliate this link. But anyway, if you want to join this new works website for making extra money online, then you will be joined using my referral link, or you can Google it and just go to the website and sign up it. If you have any query, let me know. And well, since I'm joining here, I'm completing lots of surveys, of course, and they're not taking us our time like more than 5 to 7 minutes, or max to max 10 minutes. And that's where we earn like the huge amount, like 14 cents, 15 cents, 28 cents, 35 cents under 7 to 8 minutes. And of course, the thing is, not daily these surveys are available. I mean, the particular service is not available daily, but randomly they definitely available. The kind of, any kind of, means at least one of them are active in the daily. So well, this is not the quick rich scheme, but if you want to extra make money online, then this website is definitely for you. And well, this is the top level website that calls pay to click website. That is, if you just come here and clicking on ads, you will be earn without doing nothing. So remember, if you sign up here, then always come here and just click on this here and click again red dot here and complete all of these ads to watch a daily. It definitely not takes you more than 5 to 6 minutes. So well, its worth is only penny, but that's how you will be active here. And the rule is you should be active here under I mean, if you do not active 45 days, in 45 days, then your account will be banned. So stay active and stay tuned with me. If you like this video, then like it and subscribe me or stay connected with me. And well, sign up using this link, Newworks. And yeah, one more thing is the payout will become here, your payment section. Your payment will be got from various methods like Neteller, Skrill, AirTM. I'm choosing the AirTM platform, and it's a cryptocurrency here too. They offer in cryptocurrency too. And if you have a PayPal or PayPal check, if you want to withdraw from here, then you can choose the Tea Party, that program. So well, it's not the only one currency here. The Ethereum, they have lots of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, BCH, that that is Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, and Dash 2. So I think I'm done here. And if you have any query, then let me know. I'm giving you a little bit one more introduction about review like this. That is the my account where I'm working. See, this is the main balance and this is the survey balance. Survey balance is $13 and my advertisement seeing balance is almost just 1 minute. Yeah, the $13 point 91 cents is my service balance, and remaining whatever it is balance, that is almost 50-70 cents. That is the my view advertisement balance here. Apart from this, if you want to like earn extra money too, so I have give you a good description a link like Honeygain, and I have IP Royal Pawn, so that link which will be, if you download both application and running in your background, then they will be give you some kind of the cents by sharing your internet. So I recommended you this IP Royal network because here the minimum withdrawal limit is $1, and if you choose the Honeygain, I mean if you choose the both like me, download application and run your background, then Honeygain give you, my referral link give you like the $5 bonus, and here the minimum withdrawal limit is $20. But of course it takes too much time, but the IP Royal definitely too much worth it because the minimum withdrawal balance is only $1, and as you can see here, see my minimum balance is already 1.29, is $1 is already reaching. Still I'm not taking the chance to withdraw because I already have get paid by them, and I'm making video. And in the last week I was updated my YouTube account. If you want to check out payment proof, then just subscribe and check out my videos, old videos. We will got the ideas how it's working. Well, for now I can say once again, if you like this video, like it, and if you have any query, then let me know. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Happy earning.